Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on POCO C61. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click install and click open. Now you can set your default browser app, or you can click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now, and here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And here you have to select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.